Hello everyone, welcome to one another short video with the me Valerie Jacob. Thank you back again where you saw the stop lo viewing video ya. Today supposed to you come in lo video ya through lo Facebook page Blumi. Welcome lo YouTube channel Blumi. Supposed you subscribe it. Hit him subscribe button. Mo got one small notification bell is that down you sabe click lehem too. You got all updates every time you become one video but you start all updates. So me welcoming you vla to watch all about lo Vanuatu no mo Torres Kasum Anaitum or you where you stop lo Wanarabla Pacific Island country or New Zealand, Australia where you start watch you sabe talk pisin you sabe haram sabe pislama me welcoming you to lo video with me today. Today by me go through lo one episode number 2 lo one of them talk about also behavioral finance. We meet a little bit Islama say all Fasin lo money. Lo previous episode you been talk about one something we call them mental accounting. Mental accounting, just a brief recap. No more anyone something where you take them lo mind blue you finish. You take them lo mind blue say some you put them some money lo some different forms, savings or term deposit or whatever form, what cash, no more waste up. You take a finish lo mind blue say money here me blow one separate something. So we treat money, you may categorize money, but you may treat him differently. So him is some real fashion where you may mistake up, where him make him say I may impact the maybe or some decision making, especially to do with them finance. So suppose you know watch him episode number 1 yet, then install one link premium or YouTube channel ya tu sabe ko pakanta play watch episode number 1 where we talk about mental accounting. Today in episode number 2 where we talk about one something we call herd mentality. Herd mentality, herd H-E-R-D. Herd mentality. What I mean herd mentality? Herd want something you say a group of people, but you take them for example, all sheep will start together, or one group of all bullock will start together, or you make something like group. One bullock by him lead equal semia, and lead equal one direction of smell, not one will not have say Mr. for one, but they follow only follow no, only follow activity where lead up over the hand make him. So same kind fashion you must stop making low side blow herd mentality, low side blow finance. Sometimes by you must haram all kind something all same, by you tell them say one group of people only start making one scheme, one only start making one lending scheme or one scheme where you go to money after you get money after. So people only run for them group only start but you don't really serve one activity and Mr. happen. If you follow them crowd no more when Mr. making one something. So anyone something where Mr. really impact them lives premium two time where sometimes you may not really serve one where you must stop you start committing you will help, but you may end up having a problem lo end blame. You may end up fast lo problem after you become lo trying to solve a problem will same. So I mean I may head mentality lo side business sometimes but you start look say full of man only make one type of business is one man by come up lo make one business but you may have say monkey business if for them naramani come try to make business for them but you start one time na where time COVID-19 more lockdown but you look some trend plus something where people will start on from now but you look say people will start delivering all island kakai so now imsa local trend imsa local trend now this to happen by people will start look maybe through social media you start look say now one activity was to happen big one people are selling local food delivering local food all kind of same so anyone something where but you must be very intelligent or you must be very wise but you may look one enough full of group will start from more you may study market you may look time where you install them situation where you install them more you sabe tell them say one emi straight lo one time where you start learn from suppose you start look more activity lo narlaman after you start one them copying one activity when narlaman start again by any herd mentality. Now you must follow one crowd, you must follow one crowd, any problem make one something, and and then we end up market by go limited now for everyone must make the same something. So then we make you must think outside the box. Especially the one time we must learn with COVID-19, I have a full of man body starting say you make one kind business also make one, but you must you look good, you assess and go to market you look so one and now you got people needs lehem one and now man will not make him yet. La place na you sabe tap in blow make him one where you know have money and make him yet. All kind of something awesome. So one could flash something about herd mentality is that you make something like group be good, you make something like team be good together, but sometimes the one disadvantageous flame and from there you may too much together for one group but you got limited resources now bring everyone in share so it's a macro market that we make one market you go from one business you go from market you may want to say you may target them one market where emi unique one market bring me unique so all explanation to do with them herd mentality Fasin behavioral finance. So something we want to go through with them you meet today, especially in this time where you must go through the lockdown or COVID-19 and full of businesses probably facing all very rough time. Think by government by still come to help you but everyone must cut one clear thinking. You must cut one clear mindset. More you trying to think outside the box. And you want really struggling time everybody. You must put them out on behavioral finance assembly. You mean aware law or Fasin where you start making them say by some cost you or some make them some impact. Is like a part of decision, financial decision making. So yes, I think we want to go through with them today. Suppose yes, so you go through the previous episode yet. The semitala finish link plan stop. Pami putum tu the video tane. Suppose you go through the met you sabe click them or you sabe go through the channel. But look say which one any episode number 1 when you go through the mental accounting. So back again, thank you. You flow stop. Watch more start continue blow support them channel you subscribe it, please click the subscribe button with the one small bell aside there play notifying you all videos we start put them out. And also we not forget to mention it, you got one contest where you start making we stop yet we only you start contest for 130,000 batu prize. So suppose you where you stop any low one Pacific Island countries, you have a part 2 low competition blow winning 30,000 batu prize. You got video blame to the channel blame me but me put a link blame you go down or you have a scroll the channel but look which video now me blow contest and you have a be part low contest they got the instruction blame me very clear stuff. So thank you back again. Me welcome all feedbacks. You come to channel blame me. Suppose you think say me talk fast to mass. Suppose you think say me slow down small. So you think say some terms we Mr. Yusuf and me very hard. You tell me come bring me improve blow. Make them say awesome topic awesome. You may all times that want them promote them financial literacy. When you want to use more very simple talk. So suppose me welcome every feedback. Suppose you haram something we fast to mass or how to mass you. Please tell me come. Feedback really important. Blow make them see me continue blow break them silence. When we talk about finance. Thank you back again more. But me kasem you next time with them narabla episode preview side of behavioral finance. Thank you back again more. Tata everyone.